In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email on Outlook. Whether you're aiming to send a perfectly timed email to a colleague in a different time zone, or just want to draft it now and send it later, scheduling is a great tool to use. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen. To get started, open your Outlook application on your device. If you're using a desktop computer, you can usually find it in your program files or possibly pinned to your taskbar for easy access. For mobile users, just tap open the app. Once you have Outlook open, the first thing you want to do is click on New. This button is generally located at the top left corner of the screen. This action will prompt a new window to open, where you can begin drafting your email. The new window might look slightly different depending on your version of Outlook, but don't worry as the core features remain similar. After clicking New, you'll need to choose Mail. You might notice that Outlook provides different options for creating new items like calendar events or meeting requests. But today we are purely focused on scheduling an email, so be sure to select Mail, which will allow you to compose your email message. Now it's time to draft the email you'd like to send. In the new message window, start by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Double check this to ensure there are no typos, as this will be critical for the correct delivery of your email. Proceed by adding a subject line that summarizes the content or purpose of your email. This helps the recipient have a quick overview of your email's intention. Once you have the basic details in place, you can start typing your email in the body text area. You have the option to format your text, add bullet points, and even attach files if necessary. Whatever it is that makes your message complete and professional. Now, here comes the important part. Scheduling the email. Look to the right of your Send button for a small arrow. This arrow opens up additional options related to sending your email. Simply clicking on Send would immediately deliver your message, but you want to schedule it, so we'll need this additional menu. After clicking the arrow, you'll see an option titled Schedule Send. Selecting this will open up a dialog box where you can specify the date and time you'd like your email to be sent. It's a good idea to double check the time zone settings here to ensure your email goes out at exactly the right moment. When you're satisfied with your scheduled time, go ahead and confirm it. Your email is now ready to be sent automatically at the designated moment you specified. And that's it. Just by following these simple steps, you can easily schedule an email on Outlook to be sent at a later time. This feature is especially useful for maintaining productivity and ensuring your emails reach their recipients at an ideal time. Don't forget to hit save to ensure everything is set. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.